Hi everyone! Today, I'm super excited to introduce Poppin Cookin's one ice cream shop from Croatia. Look at this adorable packaging! It looks like we can make the cutest little ice creams with this kit. And guess what? There are 4 different toppings and many options, so I can already tell this is going to be fun. Even better, it only requires water and the difficulty level is just 3 stars. The instructions are on the back, so let's find out how we can make ice cream with this kit. Alright, let's open it up. Oh wow, this packaging is so good. Since we'll need to use it later, I'll carefully cut it open with scissors. As adults, we don't often get a chance to make things from scratch, but with a kit like this, we can easily enjoy crafting. Inside, we have 3 ice cream powders, vanilla, strawberry, and soda. A tiny spoon, so cute! Topping powders to add extra fun. Now, let's cut the tray. You might think it's hard to cut, but Croatia's trays are actually super easy to cut. It's so satisfying. Oops! Before that, we need to cut out the cups. The round one is for making the ice cream. The square one is for scooping water. Alright, let's pour 1 scoop of water into each tray. First up, vanilla ice cream. Wow! It has such a sweet vanilla scent. Let's mix it well. Oh, it's a bit thick. Feel like real ice cream. The more I mix, the more deliciously sweet it smells. Next, strawberry ice cream. It has a strong strawberry aroma. And look at this pretty pink color. Let's mix it until the powder is completely gone. Now, I'll smooth the surface to make it look like real ice cream. It actually looks like real ice cream. Finally, soda ice cream. I love soda flavor, so I've been waiting for this one. Oh wow, that refreshing soda scent. The light blue color is so pretty. Let's mix it well and smooth it out. Look at that! The surface looks just like real ice cream. We need to let it set for 10 minutes. So in the meantime, let's move on to the toppings. First, let's make the strawberry jelly topping. Just mix water and the jelly powder together. Wow! It's already turning into jelly! And it smells so sweet and fruity. Now, let's pour it into the mold without overflowing. The texture is so fun to work with. I'll leave the extra jelly for later. Look how cute and puffy the jelly looks in the mold. Next up, banana toppings. Let's mix the banana powder with water. It has a delicious sweet banana scent. Mix it well until it thickens. Then, let's shape it on the guide sheet. I roll it into a thin log with my hand. Then cut it into slices using the spoon. This looks pretty good. Now, let's make the chocolate sauce. Mix 1 scoop of water with the chocolate powder. Oh, it's nice and smooth. Super easy to mix. And it smells exactly like real chocolate. We now have a realistic chocolate sauce. Look at everything so far. It looks so real. The strawberry jelly has set, so let's take it out. It's so round and cute. It even has a perfect strawberry shape. Now, I'll chop up the extra jelly to mix into the ice cream. This will add even more variety. And look at this ice cream texture. It actually looks cold. So cool. Okay, let's start scooping the ice cream. Wait, oh my gosh. It's so firm. Can you hear this? Knock knock. It's rock solid. This is crazy. It feels just like real ice cream. I'll start with the soda flavor, scooping and shaping it with a spoon. Now, let's add strawberry ice cream on top. Oops, did I add too much? If you press it into the mold, it shapes perfectly. Let's check the back. Wow, it looks so cute. The color combination is perfect. Now, let's remove it from the mold. It came out so clean and smooth. Next, let's make rainbow soda ice cream. We will use vanilla, strawberry, and soda, all 3 flavors. I've learned a little trick. If you press it down firmly with the back of the spoon, it shapes beautifully. Doesn't this look just like how real ice cream shops do it? It turns out so colorful and cute. Now, let's mix in strawberry jelly with strawberry ice cream. I'll add a bit of vanilla too. Press it down. The glossy jelly pieces look amazing. Look at this, it's adorable. Let's make more. How about vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce? There are so many fun combinations to try. Which one would you make? Let's drizzle the chocolate sauce carefully. Gotta make sure it looks neat, a little at a time. There! Oops, my vanilla and chocolate mix didn't turn out great. Now, let's put the stickers on the ice cream cups. These two-tone cups are so cute. Time to assemble our ice cream masterpiece. I'll start with the vanilla chocolate one at the bottom. Then stack up more flavors. 5 scoops seem like the perfect amount. Let's add the strawberry jelly and banana slices. Oh wow, it looks amazing! For the second cup, I'll add colorful sprinkles on top. A little more decoration. And we are done! Isn't this super cute? It looks so real. This kit is so much fun. Let's give it a try. いただきます。Oh my gosh, it's actually cold. I can't believe it. The strawberry jelly is sweet and bouncy. I highly recommend this DIY candy kit. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!